Hello folks and welcome back to my channel. I can't believe I'm saying this, but this is my last video of the year. It is the end of 2022. We've been hanging out and talking on YouTube for literally a whole year together. I had to come on and take the time to just say thank you to every single person who has watched any of my videos, subscribed to my channel, commented, supported me in any way, shape, or form. I have been thinking about doing YouTube for an incredibly long time, and it was just kind of like a pipe dream for so many years until this year when I decided that, thanks to how much I was loving content creation for TikTok and having my hiatus and time to sit down and actually work on making videos and doing something like this, that this was something that I could try and make happen. And it's truly thanks to all of you that we are here, that the channel has grown so much in year one, that we are doing the thing, and I'm just really incredibly excited to continue creating content for you and making videos next year and just kind of sharing more about body piercing and how much I love it and how amazing I think it is, and just all the related topics, including a bunch of fun stuff about myself. One of my favorite things all year long has been everyone's amazing suggestions for content they want to see me create and things they want to see me talk about. So at the end of the year, closing out, I'm starting my planning and prep for content for early of next year because you know me, I can never stop working, I can never stop moving. So I'd really like it if everyone left comments with whatever they want to see me talk about next year, whatever type of videos they want to see me do more of. Even if there were videos I did this year that you weren't the biggest fan of, give me that feedback, let me know. I really want to take everyone's thoughts and suggestions into consideration and try and make the content that y'all really want to see from me next year. So yeah, this is just a little quick one to hop on here and thank you all so much for all of your support and all of your thoughtfulness, and open up a forum for suggestions for next year. But I am currently snuggled up nice and cozy against the cold weather, waiting to ring in the new year, and I will see you back again in 2023 with your usually scheduled educational piercing content and some really exciting stuff coming up right away in the month of January, so stay tuned for that. As always, your support means the world to me. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and commenting, and I hope you have an awesome end to your 2022, and I hope 2023 is even more amazing for all of us. Bye!